Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Skimlinks for price drop affiliate revenue detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Skimlinks website. Create an account if you don't have one. Fill in the necessary information to register. Once registered, log in to your Skimlinks account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Next, locate the Merchants section in the menu. Search for merchants that align with your niche. Select a few preferred merchants for your affiliate strategy. Now, go to the Tools section. Look for the price drop feature available in that section. Click on it to learn more about its functionalities. Once you understand the feature, start setting it up. Select the merchants you want to monitor for price drops. The system will prompt you to enter your website details. Fill in the required fields about your site's content. Then, choose the categories relevant to your audience. After submitting your site information, Skimlinks will review it. Once approved, you will gain access to promotional tools. Now, install the Skimlinks code on your website. This code allows Skimlinks to track affiliate links. Make sure to test the implementation to ensure it's working. Next, create content that highlights price drops. Use engaging visuals and clear calls to action. Monitor the performance of your price drop alerts regularly. Adjust your strategies based on analytics data provided. Consider using social media to promote your content. Engage with your audience by responding to inquiries. Consistently update your content with new price drop information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.